Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Create a repository to centralize your project and invite collaborators immediately. Add a clear README that explains goals and setup steps. Add a license to define reuse and protection rules for code. Set repository visibility as public or private depending on needs and privacy. Add one or more collaborators and assign roles with push rights or read-only access. Enable issues and project boards to track tasks and plan milestones. Configure branch protection to require reviews before merging changes into main. Clone the repository to your local machine using git clone and the repo URL. Create a branch for your feature using git checkout feature name and work there. Make focused commits with clear messages and stage changes using git add and git commit. Push your branch to origin with git push origin feature name and open a pull request on GitHub. Link related issues and request at least one reviewer to inspect code and leave feedback. Run tests and fix issues until reviewers approve and the pull request is mergeable. Enable branch protection rules on main to prevent direct pushes and accidental merges. Require status checks and continuous integration to pass before allowing merges into protected branches. Optionally require 2 reviewers for high-risk repositories to increase code quality and accountability. Add a code owners file to automatically request owners for specific paths and modules. Use semantic tags like v1, 0, 0, and create release notes to document features and fixes for users. Automate changelog generation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.